Kimbara, kimbara, kimba, kimbamba, kimbara, kimbara, kimba, kimbamba. No, I cannot be a singer. So instead, I can teach you how to do this really quick makeover. If this is your first time in my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I have a new video. So let's begin. Okay, first step, I'm gonna apply the concealer all around my face. As you can see, I'm already applied the darker areas and that's what I wanna contour my face. Some people like to contour with powder. For my videos, I use the cream concealer. The brand that I'm using is Clinique. And as you can see, I'm just matching my skin, and for the darker spot, it's just for, to create some shadows to my face. Step number 2. I'm gonna grab my blender and I'm gonna try to blend the lighter areas first. Just trying to apply as much as I can to cover up any imperfections that I want to create and diminish. I didn't touch the darker areas because I'm gonna leave that towards the end. I'm trying to blend as much as I can, and then now as you can see, I'm going through over my eyebrows and use any spots that I really want to correct. As you can see, my face had some, I guess because of the quarantine, I haven't been able to sleep, so I have some darker areas and I've been marking. Now, what I'm trying to do is turn the blender, and as you can see, I'm trying to pretty much get the darker areas towards the outside of my face. I'm going through, just it doesn't really matter if you make a mistake. It doesn't really matter. You can always fix it. So I'm just trying to blend as much, and the reason it's like that, it's because of course this video is part of another funnier video, and I needed to shot that scene, and here's that video. Anyways, let's focus, let's go back. So as you can see, I already fixed my face, and I'm trying to blend any darker spot just to create an illusion that my face is thinner. I have a very thin face anyways, but I want to frame it so it accentuates and it just sharpens the cheeks area, my forehead, which is kind of thick. Anyways, like I told you earlier, because of the quarantine, I haven't been able to sleep, so I have to fix the dark circles in my eye. For that, Too Faced is the product I highly recommend. This is the Glow Foundation, and all I have to do is put a little tiny dot. With the tip of my blender, I'm gonna apply it underneath my eyes where I see the darker circles, and I'm just gonna blend it as much as I can. As you can see, this is a really soft blender, and the product that I'm applying, it really is covering up. I'm also gonna add some concealer, around on the top of my nose, on my forehead, and I'm just applying whatever I really want to brighten up my face. This is gonna give the illusion that you're really fresh and you're kind of bright, and it's gonna give you a different glow. How do I look? Well, I think I need to do more. At this point, I think I wanna go back and frame my face. Yay! Haha. And the product that I love the most is always been Too Faced, the Cocoa Palette. And the Cocoa Contour, that's what's called, and it's just beautiful colors. This is one of my go-to products. I always love it just because it has the perfect colors for any skin, and it smells delicious. It honestly smells like chocolate. I'm gonna grab that color to contour underneath my cheeks, on the bone of my face. With my brush, I'm gonna grab the brown color, and as you can see, I'm just gonna apply it lightly. At the beginning, it looks like a lot, but I'm gonna use that product and just try to sweep it around just so that I can remove the color. And if you put a lot of color, that's fine, because at the end, you're gonna add more product and remove the excess color that you added at the beginning. So no worries, just go to town and apply the product. So once you finish one side, you're gonna switch to the other side. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and get this video a like. It really helps support videos like this one in my channel. Step number 3. Oh my god, this is Pitch Perfect from Too Faced. This product is like, oh my god, it just smells like peaches. And it just gives you this really beautiful glow. As you can see, it's loose powder and I love it. Like, it just smells really nice. What I do most of the times is, instead of just grabbing the product from the thing, I just put a little bit of it on the lid of the product. As you can see, it's just a little bit. And I'm gonna grab my fat brush and I'm just gonna grab some of the product and just apply it to my face. It really feels like velvet. It's just beautiful. It adds color to my face, it adds glow, and it's just, the smell is the thing that really like. And see, this is, as you can see, remember how we have extra product, and I'm just putting that powder on top of just like my entire face. Step number 4. I'm gonna grab my next product. This is just some glow, and I'm gonna apply it, you know, the areas that I'm showing you with my finger. It just adds some glow, and this is my feather brush. I just love it. I'm gonna grab a little of the product and I'm gonna apply it on top of my cheekbones. See, it's adding some glow, and I just love it. It adds this like very, like, kind of like a super shimmery glow to my face. I'm gonna add it to the other side of the face, the tip of my nose, just to add some glow, and it just gives a little, you know, more light. I'm gonna add to on my chin, and lastly, I'm gonna add a little bit in the middle of my forehead. That's just so that, you know, the face looks even. Just like that. Step number 5. I'm gonna use 3 different brushes for this process. As you can see, I'm showing you the different brushes that I'm gonna use, okay? For the eyeshadows, I'm gonna use 3 products. The first one, it's the MAC Yellow Eyeshadows. It's super bright. Then I'm also gonna use a Too Faced Glitter Bomb and the MAC Glitter, okay? So first of all, I'm gonna show you my glitter eyeshadows from Too Faced, and as you can see, there's a white and a black, and I'm gonna show you the difference in how it works. So first of all, I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm gonna grab the white eyeshadow from this palette, and I'm gonna apply it all in my eyelid. So I'm gonna try to cover as much as I can, and I'm just gonna put, as you can see, the powder just like covers really good. And I'm gonna apply it to my entire eyelid, just like that. Next, I'm gonna grab a different brush, and I'm gonna grab the yellow eyeshadow from MAC. And as you can see, I'm just outlining on top of my eye, okay? So what I'm trying to do is just like put some of the color, and then I'm gonna blend it. I'm trying not to get this process super marked. And I just basically just blended the yellow product so that, you know, you don't really see the lines. Next, I'm gonna use a color that I already had. It's kind of like a mix of orangey brown. It's super light, and what I'm trying to do is just add a little bit of color at the end on the corner of my eyes. That's just so that my eyes do not look super yellowish, but I don't want it like a brown and I don't want it like an orange. So this color is just perfect. I'm just trying to blend it with the yellow just to add more color. Now I'm gonna use this very beautiful golden shimmer that I'm gonna add to the middle of my eye. This is from the Too Faced palette that I showed you earlier. It's just beautiful, has a lot of glitter, and I just had to switch my different brush. With this brush, I'm just gonna grab a tiny bit of product and I'm gonna apply it to the center of my eye, just a little bit. I'm gonna grab my next color, and this is just a beautiful beige that I wanna apply to the center of my eye, just to add a little bit of light. See? It just looking beautiful, okay? It's just a little bit, just to the center, nothing else. I'm gonna grab that same color and apply a little more, just to blend it all the way to my eyelid. And I'm also gonna put some of this top beautiful white on underneath my eyebrows. And not forgetting the inner corner of my eye, just like that. It really makes your eyes pop. Next, what I want to do is grab some of this brown, and I want to do some sort of like an eyeliner for my bottom lashes. Okay, I'm just grabbing a little bit of the color and applying it. With the same color, I'm gonna like outline my eyebrows. And last but not least, I'm gonna use my MAC glitter. Yay! I love using glitter. However, I do not have the glitter glue, so I'm gonna honestly use lotion, just skincare, right? I'm gonna grab some lotion, a little bit, tiny bit, and then I'm gonna dip the brush into the glitter. Yay, just like that. And I'm just gonna apply it to the center of my eye, kind of like you're honestly applying glue, golden glitter glue. And I'm just gonna apply more until my eye looks super glittery. Okay, I just love glitter. Step number 6. I'm gonna add my eyelashes. Okay, as you can see, I already went ahead and did my other side of the face. And there you go. I put my eyelashes, and it's so beautiful how your eyes just change with a pair of big eyelashes. Step number 7 is just lipstick. For this makeup, I'm using something that is not super bright just because my eyes are already bright. And here you are, a very simple makeover with yellow eyeshadows and glitter and very basic lips. And this is a very quick clip of my Instagram video where I use this look. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta change my shirt. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. New shirt, new style.